guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. Today I just want to share one of my unforgettable days and how I spent through this video. I like to spend my time with relatives and friends for any occasions. So I plan to arrange small snack party. Before a day, I invited 3 of my cousins to join with us for next day's snacking. As I invited, they all arrived on time. I finished doing everything before their arrival. I am quite excited to make this all. I made fresh juice, pav bhaji, malai paneer sandwich, pudding, some jamuns, pocket shawarma, sweet spicy frozen pineapples, and 6 different dips or hummus, tahini, beet sauce, hot sauce, spicy mayo, and sweet mayo. I have already uploaded some recipes video from today's menu, and rest of them are coming soon. Pocket shawarma, pineapple juice and pav bhaji recipe links are given in description. I love to prepare different kind of food and I'll always make sure that the food I made should be healthy. They already started eating and we had a nice time. More fun talks and enjoyed a lot. Finally, my plate. If you like this video, do subscribe, like and share, and thanks for watching.